Streams live. Charts are set. ORB ready. Alpine's best. Welcome in. Sunrise glow, markets in sight, fairways green, futures take flight, Porsche on the road, chasing the day. Alpine leads, we're on our way. Alpine horizon, rising high. From the charts to the course, we touch the sky. Alpine ready, rising high. From the charts to the course, we touch the sky.
Good morning, guys. It's Thursday. Crazy how time is flying. Next week's Thanksgiving. Was there news at 8:30? NFP? How the hell did I miss that? NFP on a Thursday. I made $868 yesterday on my take profit. Do I risk it? Do we risk the $868? Or do we just not touch it? We got 1 minute till the open, guys. Make sure all your settings are correct. Oh yeah, I didn't even look at what the NQ did during the earnings. Oh, wow. Unbelievable. What a squeeze. I made like $2,500 on NVIDIA yesterday on my portfolio. No, I didn't play the news. I haven't known there was news. All right, 30 seconds. Let's lock in, boys and girls. Good luck today. So far, I mean, today is definitely something interesting again. Probably long bias overall day, but the ORB might be short bias. We'll see. Oh my goodness, I was too slow. Guys. Oh, I hate when it explodes like that. All right, I lost. All right, let's try to make some back. Still in the Bull Knox account. Let me get out of that. I was a winning ORB too. I don't even know how to get out of position. It flipped me. I don't know how to get out of my position because I don't know where my copy trader is. Copy trader. Oh, it's gotta be in the tab somewhere. No idea. I have fucking no idea. How do I get out of this? Oh, it's crazy. I don't have a fucking window for positions. Well, that sucks. That was my fault. Easy ORB. Easy ORB. I was too slow. I was too slow. All right, let's try. Try make some back here. Not necessarily loss. I don't know what I'm doing sometimes. I really don't. Why am I waiting so long when there was a clear uptrend? And then I get in and it spikes up like crazy. It's just such a weird open. All right, let's get to work. A lot of work ahead of us today. A lot of work. Yeah, if you guys are getting lag at the open, that means you're using most likely a free Rhythmic server from Take Profit Trader or someone. That's why you're getting lag, and like I am not, because I'm using Apex. Okay, so that's the main difference. All right, back to where we started this week. Not good. See how we scalp under pressure. With no pressure, we scalped really well. I have no idea. I didn't even look. Because I filled so fast here on Apex, it did not fill me on Bullnox. It just Bullnox maybe entered here. I don't know. Not sure exactly. That was so bad. That was a horrible RB. That was my fault though. I would have won if I would have entered sooner. At least I think. Even though does say went, 36 ticks in my favor, it didn't really register that, so I don't know. Yeah, Apex has its own Rhythmic servers. Let me start scalping lower balances first. Ah, what an unnecessary loss. Pissed about it. Okay, I can already tell that I just fucked up. Come on. Damn, it's gonna be a tough day. It's gonna be a tough day. I can already tell. See how I got in and 10 ticks didn't even come close to filling me? Went against me first. It's not how it should work. It should be the opposite. I think I gotta wait for the market to make its move. Right now, it's gonna be just chop until we decide which way we wanna go. Now it goes. Yeah, didn't expect that. I would like to make half the losses back. Already terrible price action, so I don't know. Jimmy, what prop firm are you with? I think it's a free if you're using a prop firm that when you log into it and it has a rhythmic paper trading Chicago, that's gonna have issues. At least to my understanding right now. When you log into a prop firm that has its own dedicated rhythmic server, it's fine. Okay, TakeProfitTrader has a free server. Yes, everyone is experiencing lag. Like though my ORB would not work on TakeProfitTrader right now. The lag is just too much. Maybe if you use Apex to copy into Take Profit maybe or something, or Lucid. Tomorrow I'll test it. Tomorrow I'll trade my take profit with the opening range trade and tell you if it works or not. Just scalping here as best I can. Like a $1,200 loss is so manageable. I just got to do that all the time. I think I'm happy with 3 contracts. I'm not going to have those huge days, but like this is very manageable. All right, I made half the loss back on this account. I think that's all I could ask for. So let's go to another one. I should copy trade, otherwise I'm gonna have to overtrade to trade all these accounts. Should have sized down today. Why today? Give me an exact reason why I should have sized down today. How much is my profit on 150 case? What do you mean? You could see the equity. These accounts were almost blown though, so the last few days we're just recovering the accounts. Yeah, you should always size down when you lose. Good point, Slade. How you been? Ooh, nice squeeze here. What a chop today. Holy shit. I mean, it's a 100-point range, but it really has been trading in the 45-point range so far. It is crazy. It's 15 minutes in. When I win on the ORB, the time goes by so slow for me. But when I lose and I'm trying to make it back, the time is going by so fast because I got to be done at 12 again today. The hourly chart, I mean, looks like a good continuation for me. Unless it wants to trap down here. Hopefully take profit trader today is good for us. So made 868 yesterday. I don't even know where I traded it. I was trading it during my meeting. And I was actually up 1200, but I didn't see, and then it started to drop. So when I got out, it was 868. I'm gonna buy this resistance, hopefully it breaks. There it goes. Come on, hold. All right. I wish I had the balls to scalp more accounts at a time. I feel like my decision making would have been affected by that, so. Let's see, is it gonna hold? Or is it gonna be going right back down to the low of the range, which it looks like it wants to now. See if this little trend holds here. Yeah, held. Yeah, look at that. This little trend held here. All right, another account down half the loss, so we're gonna move on. We're gonna keep going till we trade as many accounts as we can. Looks like we need 3 wins per account. There's no way to win that many trades in a row. There's just no way. So I don't know if I should copy trade or not. Why not just copy trade? Because I feel like I'm gonna make a mistake. Like the pressure is gonna get to me. No, it's definitely not more consistent. It's just lately I've been on pretty good read on the market. But I'll do both. People always say that, Sean. People always say that when I lose a couple times, but when I get my $60,000 month, $50,000 month, pushing for $100K month, then people want to know how I do the ORB. It's so funny how like you can't satisfy anyone. But scalping is something I love. Rejected a 50-minute so far. Everyone needs to figure out their own strategy, not just ORB, because the ORB is just one strategy. Good morning, DC fan. Loss on the ORB, so we're trying to scalp back a little bit of our losses. It's going to be a red day no matter what. Just trying to minimize it. Apex has that promo, so I definitely want to take advantage of it. If let's say if the accounts are not doing well, I'd rather just get new accounts with the promo, maybe even 50K accounts, even though scalping on 50K is just so hard to scalp on 50K, but definitely would and like the ORB, like I wouldn't be able to do 3 contracts. I got to do 2 contracts. Looks like maybe not. Looks like it wants to break out, right? You gotta be kidding me. Come on. No, I changed my target. Oh, I'm an idiot. I thought if it breaks that again, it's gonna go. Might still do it. All right, did it. I was gonna regret that for a second. Feels like a 15-minute breakout now. Yeah, like I said, on the hourlies definitely looks strong still. Yeah, I would have made all my losses back if I just copy traded, right? But that's just not realistic, I don't think. Like, I would have been sweating if I was in this trade with all my accounts. I would have been nervous. Versus with one, I don't really worry about it too much. Yeah, hit the like button, guys. What a retest. What a retest. Nope. That was going to continue. Nope. That was going to continue. Oh, come on, fill me. How did that not fill? There we go. All right, almost there. There you go, Perry. Still going higher. Does Apex still have a contract consistency rule? As in what? Like, you can't, there's no actual rule. It's just like thing, like you can't run up the account in the first 2 days with max contracts and then size down to minimum contracts, if that's what you mean. Like they don't like that. I thought you mentioned 1 minute a day for the month. Yeah, at first I was gonna do it for just that week, and then ORB just kept losing, so I have to trade more. Plus the stream would die if I just did 1 minute a day. But the key is if the ORB wins, I'm not gonna try to trade much. Yeah, I'm bad with making videos, so the channel would die if I just did 1 minute a day. $10 o'clock already. Very whippy, very choppy, like no clear direction. Even though it's going up, it's very choppy. Big rejection up there too. Thinking about taking a short. All right, down 436 on this one. Moving on to another one. All the money I've made is amazing. Thank you. But just want to remind you that there's people that make what I made in 2 years that they make that in a month. That's what's possible. I think I am relatable to a lot of people because I don't have big days. Like Lanto did great, got $1.7 million, but he actually made that divided by 5, right? So you have 5 accounts, you divide it by 5, whatever the profit is. That's how much he's made in those few days. That's insane trading. I make, less than $1,000 every day. I barely ever make more than 1,000 per account. See if we can get a reversal here, or this is still gonna go higher. I'm gonna place a short there just to see if we reject up here, if we could get a quick reversal. Kind of like that. But let's see if it actually follows through. ATR is dropping, I could tell, because my 20 ticks is further away now. Used to be like a blip on the radar, now it's all right. That was good. Damn. Wish I was copy trading, damn it. Whoa. I don't know what's going on here, but it is turning. But this just shows you how much more work involved there is when you're not copy trading, right? Like I lost so much in a minute when I copy traded. I've made way more money now. That's like per contract per tick. But since I'm not copy trading, you could see how long it would take me to recover this. That's the power of copy trading. And this is not just for day or one trade. This is for overall, like the whole year. Like it just shows you the multiplication and the power of it. You got to trade well, obviously, but so like a pullback. Rather short a pop. But if it's continuing lower, I'll just go short as well. A lot of congestion in this area though. See if we can get a flush. Come on. You could do this, market. No, why? Why you do that? Why you gotta play those games? Unbelievable. That's crazy. What? I know I'm trading ICT concepts and my buy order is the support, but damn. Oh, that's frustrating. That's two attempts and it just bounced. I'm gonna take that. Get out of the trade for now. Crazy how bad luck I had. Look at that. It's gonna dump. It's gonna dump. Yep. Good read. Just unlucky there. Actually, still held. Look at that. All right, that was 10 points. Another account sub half the loss. We keep going. So tempted to copy trade, guys. So tempted. Made back 4 accounts. There's no way I could do all these accounts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. We already got a payout from bull knocks. Would have been. Do 2 at a time. Yeah, I was thinking that. I have no idea where my copy trader went. It's crazy. Oh, there it is. Couldn't find it earlier when I was stuck in that trade. I couldn't find it. All right, we're going to do 2 accounts, see what happens. Otherwise, I'm never going to be able to make that back. Have I used TradeSyncer? Yes, I use it. I love it. Why not just wait for a setup and copy trade all your accounts? Because the setup, only because the setup comes doesn't mean it's going to win. And my setup is my ORB. Is there a consistency contract rule for pro accounts with take profit? No. You can make $10,000 with 15 contracts in one day per account. If you make $10,000 in one day, then you go live right after that. Yeah, only because there is a setup doesn't mean it's gonna win, right? So still got to put on risk. And with today's price action, I don't know if I'm gonna get my ideal setup unless we really sell off. We could get down to like 25,000. I like double bottoms the most off of a big sell off. That's my favorite pattern. Too long. Like this double bottom might work. We'll see, but that's kind of close to the top, right? Versus here, it's like it will get overextended. Like we're not gonna V-shape reversal off of here, most likely. Watch out for max trailing drawdown take profit. Yes, of course. Trailing drawdown gets you quick when you have big positions. Can't stand how slow they are to update the dashboard. Oh, they do around what, 11 p.m. Used to be 1 a.m. Used to be worse. I have to stay up till 1 a.m. Not that it's a problem for me, but sometimes I would get tired and 5 days needs to change. Nah, that's never gonna change. They would lose their edge. They will lose their edge. You can't have a perfect prop firm, Robert. It would not be financially sustainable. I know we want stuff, but it's just not realistic. But yes, that's the most annoying. That's why I don't have 5 accounts. Big pop. Bam. Think about shorting it here. Good thing I waited. But yeah, funded next doesn't allow scalping. That was one of the first reasons why I never signed up with them. See, reject. Reject, start selling off. Or is it gonna hold? Did that copy? Yeah, it did. All right, first scalp copy trading success. Am I the only one with 40 activation with Apex? No, everyone is. The codes are always the same. Doesn't matter if you use the generic one. Every code is the same. So use whoever you want. It's a new promo. I don't know. Not sure why you haven't seen anyone, but everyone's posting it. Just go on Twitter. That's all you see. Oh, so many wins in a row. Damn. Wish my win ratio was like this all the time. Can Alpine make a comeback? Not to green, but I'm just trying to recover half the losses on the accounts. So from 1200, trying to get down to 600. I wouldn't be surprised if we take out highs. Today's a bullish day. Like if you look on the bigger time frame, this little dip here, perfect pullback. You know, we're heading back to 25 600s maybe tomorrow. So I'm definitely long biased overall. But it could just reverse and dump and do something like this as well, right? So we had a pullback here. We kind of went higher and then dumped. All looks good in hindsight. Much slower day today than most days this week. I'm assuming next week might be slower with the Thanksgiving being on Thursday. We got Black Friday. We got a big holiday week next week. So we'll see what it brings. Ah, missed it. Hesitated. I'm gonna buy it now, but should have bought it at the moving average. All right. First copy trading was a success. First copy trading group. Will I trade Monday to Wednesday? Yeah. Yep. I have to be done today at 12 because my dad's coming by. I gotta clear out my sprinklers and do a couple other things. Do, 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 do. Okay, we're gonna switch the account. It'll be something if I could recover all these accounts to half the loss. It's gonna be some. It's gonna give me some thinking to do. Oh, how's my camera look? Looks pretty sharp, I think. I have a new lighting setup in my room. And my next project is going to be to make a fake wall here so you guys can't see the door. I used to have the camera facing that way. Nothing wrong with the nice door. Come on, market. I've been so locked into it. Don't know which way I want to go now. Do we stick with the range? Looks it. But we also have an interesting level here at 234. See if that gets broken. And it holds. That's a nice trap right there. Yeah, I'm kind of undecided which way I want to go now, so gotta wait. Gonna have to wait. I'll be right back, guys. I just gotta go take out garbage again before they come. Never mind, I did not make it. They were already here, picking up the garbage. I have my headphones in, so I didn't hear them. Maybe bears are already sleeping, so I could keep it outside. You don't like Bluetooth headphones? I can't connect Bluetooth headphones. My mixer doesn't have an option. I mean, I guess I could get like an adapter thingy. Pine Tree Trader, how we doing? Hope your day is better than mine, even though I'm feeling really good about today. ORB was kind of crappy with my execution, but man, I've been scalping like a maniac. Oh. So we got a flush down here. I was gonna move it to the moving average, but did not have time to react. So I wanted it flush, and yeah, see, now that would have worked perfect. Of the moving average would have been easy win. This was a more difficult win. That's okay. But it's alright. It won. I mean, these accounts are like still at high balances. Like, I don't know if it's worth even making back the loss. Might just leave them alone. Do some evals. And my take profit trader should be clearing soon. I should do math on how much I have in payouts so far this month. I have no idea. It's crazy. I don't know if it's like 6,000, 7, 4. No idea. Damn, this market really loves to play games a little bit. Can't tell if it wants to go up or not. Like I said, it's choppy, right? It's no matter which direction it's going, it's still chopping in that direction. So like when it goes up, it's still a lot of overlapping candles. This was like the cleanest move we had to the upside, and maybe this one here. Imagine I could scalp like this on Take Profit Trader with 5 accounts all day. How'd you pass 5 already? Damn. I only have one. I'm such a loser. How do I only have one? My favorite prop firm, and I only have one account. Good morning from Montclair. How are you doing? Doing okay. A little bummed out about the ORB loss today because definitely could have won. I just was too late. But feeling good about scalping. So making back half my losses. That's the goal for today. Was down 1,200 on every account, and I'm trying to get down to $600 or less. And that'll be a good red day. How would I trade 25Ks? What I did was I used to trade 25Ks. I would do like $200-300 a day. Scalping or ORB, whatever your style is. That's what I did. Because with Take Profit Trader, you have to remember you have trailing drawdown. So $1,500 worth of trailing drawdown when you hold winners really goes against you fast. So I like to scalp. I am tempted to reset my Take Profit Trader account. I don't know why. Even though I have the free evals. Do I still want to take this short? Well, that didn't give me a choice to think about it. Come on, baby. Nope. Crazy. I moved my order up so this wouldn't happen, and look, it's happening. Like, I moved my order up so much. All right, at least I got a half to win. Jesus, that was painful. For no reason. Idea was good again, just bad timing. Because I knew I should have canceled it because this was my idea here, right? So when this went up here, I wanted to short here and I just left it. I just left it when now what came here and bounced. Then I should have reshorted the lows here. Nice little trap up here, lower high. Good short overall, just bad execution. Okay, okay. At least it makes sense. It makes sense. Still wants to go lower though, or no? I hate shorting weakness. Nah, too much support. I can't short weakness. I haven't been doing that all day. Can't do it now. What's the rule with the trailing drawdown after reaching threshold? There's no more trailing drawdown. It's static. So on the 50K account on Take Profit Trader, if you make $2,000, now you have $2,000 worth of drawdown. You make another $100, you have $2,100 worth of drawdown, and so on. I don't know. It's still so weak. But shorting weakness is just not my ideal play. Yeah, it's giving me too much trouble when I short like that. Yeah, see? Goes against you for no reason. Like, just short the pops. Just short the pops. So much easier. Look how easy that would have been. I don't like this at all. Get me out. Get me out of it. This is what happens when you chase weakness. Makes the trade so much more difficult than it needs to be. Like the overall trade, the overall pattern is great. It's just my entry could not be worse. Come on. It just won't work. All right, we gotta get the hell out of this. Come on. Yep, got it. Let me just change change this. Every time. All right, no more chasing weakness. No more chasing weakness. Unless it's up here. Unless it's up top. Today is not the day to chase weakness because it's choppy. Every candle has an overlapping candle. There's always going to be a bounce. Just short into the strength on the overall weakness. Last two trades were not good. One Up Trader. Damn. Haven't heard their name in forever. With the free evals from Take Profit, if I use them, I have to pay the setup fee. If I give them away, you don't have to, no. So if you get one free, like on a giveaway, you don't have to pay for it. But if I was to use it for my personal use, then yes, I have to pay $130. There she goes. Now you could have chased the weakness. See the difference between these candles and these candles? When you have a day that has a lot of these candles, then it's easier to chase weakness. All right. Now we're going to wait for the lows and see if we could start taking longs again. Need like 4 more trades, really. But even like 2 more wins, I'll be very happy. Is fast track trading good? Yes, they're very good. You can't lose with fast track trading. Just can't lose. You're guaranteed break-even trader. If you trade with fast track trading right now, you're guaranteed break-even trader. It's better than 90% of people. All right, let's see how we react here. Yeah, the volatility has been quite high. I've been able to read the market really well, so my scalping has been good, but just not copy trading is definitely tough. Damn Gleb. Well, at least you got out of the drawdown. I wonder if they will remove that profit. Keep me posted. When you request a payout, will they remove that profit or not? That's full port. Nice sell off. I don't know if I trust these lows. We'll see what happens, but I don't know if I trust them. Oop, take profit trader. Just got the notification. So maybe we'll get a trade on take profit trader to keep the payout streak continuing. Yeah, if you applied for that, the refund or something, I don't know. You're gonna get the letters. I didn't do it. There goes the low. And here I was afraid about chasing weakness. Look at that. Crazy. This was a beautiful, beautiful bounce, and then boom, smack. That means people bought long up here. Be right back. These pancakes are so good. Just think about how much paper they waste on those stupid letters. Do we have some news? I don't think so. Looks pretty legit pattern. I mean, that is a 200 point sell off and it's not slowing down. So who knows? But I don't think so. Damn. Makes. Ooh, fuck. What was that? I don't know. This 21 tick is just bad luck right now. Might have to change it. Might have to change it because it's really bad luck right now. It's just not giving me 21 ticks. Just missing me by a couple. The last few trades. Damn it. Why did I get sucked in there? That stupid candle got me. Ah. It's almost. Classic stupid trade. Damn it. That stupid candle got me. Fuck. Reacted impulsively. That was probably the blow off move. The bottom. That was probably the bottom. And then I missed the ad by like a couple. Come on. What's with the misses today? Would have been out of the ad. Would have been nicely green. But no, I missed the fucking ad by what? 5 ticks? So much stress for no reason. Now, I don't know if I want to trade those last 2 accounts because their balances are pretty high up. They don't need to be like traded fully. But then if I want to get a payout with them this month, I should probably do that. I was up like $3,000 on Nvidia yesterday. Let's see how much I'm up now. Oh, I got 50 minutes. I like to sell off a lot. Okay, last two accounts. The 50K, I don't know if I'm gonna try to scalp it. We'll try, but yep, it's looking bearish all of a sudden. Hit that resistance almost. Not quite, but what is this gap here? Why? I guess the gap closes on the way down, right? Yeah. Like I said, I'm interested in 25,000. Just the EMA short. No fill. Unbelievable. Fuck. So frustrating. Tried to short the EMA and it just missed me. And then it fell apart for 50 points. All right, we have some support here though, so let's see how we play out. Like I said, 25,000 is definitely an area of interest, so I'm gonna switch my bias long right now. For a little bit. If we continue being weak, then we'll see, but for now, two-legged pullback would be very nice. But only because I'm long biased doesn't mean you should be, because this is weak as hell. And I'm scalping. I'm not looking for a reversal or anything like that. So don't let my bias change your bias if you're still short biased. approaching 25,000, big number. Broke it without even, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Well, we got the open, we got the previous day's highs, previous day's close, and the low. All here, so maybe we'll bounce off of here. Come on, market. I need two good trades, two more good trades. Well, the short would have paid very nicely. That is insane, guys. That $25,000 level did not do shit. Okay, got one of the support here, and I'm gonna wait for it to like a pullback for another one. Come on. Volatility is actually higher now, so we could probably go for a couple extra ticks. Are you sure there's no news at all? I don't know. I'm not sure at all. I feel like just longs got bagged, but I don't know if there's any news. Right now, there's a meltdown. There's a lot of people stuck long from here, right? They're bailing out, but I don't know. If anyone finds any news, let me know. Okay, like I said, these previous day's highs, previous day's close, all that, it's becoming a little support here. Can we get a two-legged pullback? Maybe my target was too big there. Yeah, it's still fucking weak, damn it. Gotta wait for a two-legged pullback, Alpine. Oh man, I'm gonna cook my best accounts. The most important accounts are gonna get cooked. That's not how we want to end the day. The best accounts. The best accounts. One trade away. That's how it fucking always is. Didn't wait for that setup. Didn't wait for the two-legged pullback. Damn it, guys. The run ends. Oh, fuck. Pissed off. Knew I should have waited. Knew I should have waited for the two-legged pullback, but just wanted to get ahead of it. Two-legged pullback would save me from getting trapped like that. Need a bounce here to have any sort of chance. Alright, at least we got the bounce, so maybe we'll still save this. Come on, make a new high. There we go. Okay. See how it reacts here now. Trap. This would be a two-legged pullback right here at 975. Nope. Didn't crack it. Fuck. So weak. Oh, I got fooled. And the most important account too. Fuck me. The account, I was able to request a payout from this account already. Fucking A. How many times we're going to do this? How many times we're going to throw money away? $1,500 payout gone. Just because I wanted to make more. So stupid. Look at this market just go. Just fucking melt. I'm going to take a two-legged pullback on my Tradeify. Take profit trader. We still haven't had one. Just make sure I'm ready for it. This is a shitty way to end the day, though. One bad entry. That's all you need to ruin the day. I did a good job until this point. But it just sucks. It's the most important account. This is 100 points. Right here is 75 points. That's crazy. Take it off a break even. The break even is up here somewhere. I don't know exactly where break even is, but it's up here somewhere. What do I do on take profit? I haven't traded my take profit yet. I will trade it once we get a two-legged pullback. Right now, we're not getting any two-legged pullbacks. We're just getting one-legged pullbacks, and they keep going lower. It's crazy. Crazy how weak it is all of a sudden. Like it was weak, but like it was bouncing, you know, like right here was a terrible, terrible buy. I kind of jumped in. I needed one more trade too. That's the crazy part. I needed one more trade, guys, to get under $1,000 on all the accounts. Fuck. That is so sad. But maybe we could still get it. Maybe we could still get it. Okay, we got the first pullback. So it needs to make a high here, pull back, and then make another high, and that's a two-legged pullback. Right now, we've never done that. We've never had a leg where it pulls back, makes a low, makes a high, pulls back, it never breaks the high. We've never had it where it pulls back twice. Only pulls back once every time. If you look at the chart all the way from where it started to sell off, it never breaks a second pullback. So how you look at it is you have a first pullback here, okay? Now you have a second pullback here. It never broke the high, right? I don't know where else we could even look. Here you have, this is the first pullback. Didn't even make a new high, so it didn't really. Okay, so now I made a new high. So now if it pulls back, but it's got to close above. It's got to be a strong move. It's still weak. Okay, so now if we get a pullback and then it breaks the high, that's a two-legged pullback. So let's see if we get it. I mean, technically, it's probably, this could be it, but these wicks, I don't count. All right, so this is the second pullback here. So let's see if it breaks 978. Come on. You could do it. I feel like if it breaks this, it's going to fill me. Teased it. My God. Fucking hey. This market's crazy. Could have gone out for at least one, but I really thought it was going to go higher now. Fucking I had my chance. Damn it. I'm just pissed because it's any other accounts would have been fine, but these accounts were ready for a payout. At least one of them was. These had the highest balances, you know? Like, why do I always lose the highest balance accounts? Like, I could have lost on any other trade today, but no, it's only on the last trade of the day on these accounts, and it's on the highest balance accounts. It's always like that. I don't know. It's the same thing as evals. It's one day, the last day of a 5-day eval, the last trade of an eval. It's always like that. It's crazy how the timing of it is just crazy. Oh well, I'm done. I'm done renting. Gonna take advantage of the sale. Did well overall. Not gonna complain. I'm gonna make some money on Take Profit Trader and then make myself feel a lot better. It's always a mental hiccup. It's always a stupid trade. But here not to get it, that's crazy. That's just bad. That's 10 points away. Wow. I hit the ask and it just fucking fell apart. As if I was the market maker. Alright, just blow me out of these accounts already. I'm wasting way too much energy on this. Gotta focus on for take. Alright, counter gone. Alright, fuck them. Fucking crazy market. Insane. Well, there goes all that hard work. All that hard work fucking for nothing on these accounts. So stupid. So stupid. Market just decided to fucking choose violence today. Alright, do I have any evals? Okay, I have 2 evals that are halfway to pass. Let's just fucking pass one of them. Oh, my blood is boiling right now. For that to happen, that's just absurd. Bad timing. Gonna hedge these 2 evals, so at least I pass one. Apex allows you to hedge evals? Yes. Excel's Capital, please name me one prop firm that doesn't allow hedging evals. I don't know of any prop firms that don't allow hedging evals. Maybe Trade Day might be one, but that's about it. Top Step? Oh, they don't? They used to. That's how I used to pass them. Yeah, Top Step probably got strict on it once they realized people were doing it too much. That's why I don't like talking about it, because that's how you ruin your edge. You know, you ruin everyone's edge by talking about it and giving stuff away that is obvious, but hedging with trailing drawdown, good luck. I'm not giving away every secret. I have a reason why. Try hedging 150K accounts to see if you do it. Right? You're going to fail so much that you're going to give up on that. I'm so mad. I am so mad, guys. I am fucking so mad. One trade. I did 25 or 30 trades and I won every single trade. And then one last trade of the day, I fucking lost. I just can't believe it. You can't script that. On the most important accounts besides my take profit trader. So mad. $1,500. You take $1,500 and you just fucking rip it. That's exactly what I'm doing with Apex lately. But end of day account's always gonna have consistency. So it's like, you know, it's both have their reasons why they have consistency, and then people want end of day drawdown with no consistency, and that would be the end of a prop firm. What the fuck happened, guys? What happened? I don't even want to look at my Robinhood, but this is the craziest. I mean, I would be okay with it if it was like that the whole time, but it just came out of nowhere. Like, I guess once it broke support. All right, well, we're just patient, and then that V-shaped reversal is gonna come, and I am gonna try to get close to $1,000 again on Take Profit Trader. It's gonna be the goal. It will come. Well, intraday accounts, all you got to do is forget about the trailing drawdown after you take a loss. To give you an example, none of these accounts have a trailing drawdown. All these accounts have static drawdown until I make back the loss. So you see how it says drawdown is 3,900? Until I get this account back to $5,000 in drawdown, it's not going to trail me. I have $3,986 worth of drawdown, and that is static drawdown. It's not trailing. Okay, it's going to become trailing once I get this account to 151,078 basically. I need to make an extra $1,000 from this point on the account to be able to, or to have trailing drawdown again. So right now, all these accounts are static drawdown. That's your trick right there, okay? That is your mental trick. Static, static, stat. Even though these accounts are trailing drawdowns, they're all static because they're not at the highest point of the account. Okay, and that's like the trick that you could use mentally to do it. Oh my God, I'm so slow with this. 845.50. 845, okay. But what is going on with this market? I mean, this is the biggest meltdown out of nowhere. Because it was like a choppy day. I mean, this is 550 points, guys. This is not a... This is like... I mean, you can't survive that on the wrong side. I can't even hedge. I can't get filled on the hedge. Non-based. No, I use TradeSyncer for cloud-based. There might be a couple, but I don't really know. I have not used any. Although if you use... Actually, I don't know. Can you be logged into NinjaTrader and Tradeovate at the same time? I used to do it, but I don't think I was getting data on... Fed Cook. Yeah. Well, he sucks. Tell him to go fucking start cooking. And get off the mic. I am so mad. Only thing that's gonna make this better is me making $1,000 on take profit. Apparently one of the feds is speaking. But to have more volatility from Fed cooks than fucking Powell is insane. Like literally Powell doesn't have this much volatility when he speaks if it's not FOMC. So I've never seen a Fed speak and cause this much volatility in 20 years of trading. Because they speak all the time. Like Powell speaks all the time. The market barely reacts to it. I think it's the overall just yesterday's fucking earnings getting sold off. I'm so mad. I am so mad. I am so ready to reset my Take Profit Trader accounts. That's how mad I am. That's what I'm thinking, Trader Rewire. But I don't think it's by a single Fed speaker. But it is very violent. 20, did I say 20 years of trading? Sorry. Definitely not. 20 years as a DJ. I've been cooking the turntables for 20 years. I did say 20 years though. But no, I have not been trading 20 years. I'm not that old. I did. I just blew 2. Needed 1 more trade, MB. I took about 30 trades. They all won. And last one that I needed to get under $1,000. And didn't I say, why am I even gonna bother trading these accounts when they're so healthy? They have $4,000 in drawdown. There's no point on trying to recover these accounts. I said all those things and I still did it. And could have just kept those accounts. I mean, $1,200 loss when you have $5,000 or even more. I had almost $6,000 in one account this morning. But this is nothing. Why? Why am I doing this to myself? Like, literally had a payout pending on Apex. It just I wanted to get to the max payout. Right now, we're just going to wait for a V-shaped reversal. Maybe it will come, maybe not. But let's try and take advantage of it. If it does come, take profit is what matters. And the problem is I got to go soon. My dad's going to be here. Of course, every time I make plans with my dad, shit goes south. I need to trade all day. Don't blame my dad. No, I'm not blaming my dad. I'm the one asked him to come by. I'm just saying, like, every time that happens, it's always like when I have work or something to do. I want to be patient for my take profit trader. I mean, I'm going to be home, so I'm going to be able to kind of watch. I think we're going to, once they're done talking, and then we're going to get a bounce. We're going to get I mean, we just sold off 600 points. We're going to get a bounce. The market does not go straight down. Detect it. Interesting. Yeah, AI is definitely wild with all, not just trading, but everything. I mean, just seeing these videos online, there's gonna be a time where we're gonna get in trouble because we're not gonna know what's real, what's not. Past your first 50K Apex. You can't lose more than 750 per trade. Okay, so make sure you don't lose more than 750 per trade. Don't use more than 5 minis. And those are the main 2 rules. This is the craziest outcome today. I really thought we are just gonna be chopping around the whole day, and boom, like did not expect this at all. Like sometimes during the day, like early on, like you're not expecting it, but early in the day, anything could happen. But once you have like, you know, a couple hours of trading, you kind of are expecting the day to be a certain way. This is not what I expected at all. This is crazy. It is basing a little bit for once. This is a hedge. Let's see if we get filled. Still gonna get filled on that. Can I tick scale in Apex funded or tick scalp? You can. Well, I thought we might be getting a base down here, but I guess not. Crazy, crazy, crazy market. Wow, look at that candle. If this makes new lows, where the hell are we going? We're going to yes, 2630 will be next stop. And then 500s. Crazy. This is gonna be a crazy meltdown. I mean, that's gonna be a crazy hourly candle. You got 7 minutes. Hourly candle was fucking 500 points. Trying to find another one like that. Can't find one. Oh, that is crazy. This is the biggest hourly candle I could find in the last 3 months. I think I found one actually. Oh, no, this is 530. 530. How much did we have now? Oh yeah, this is the biggest candle, biggest hourly candle we've had in the last 3 months. There was another one that was 530, and we already crossed it. Insane, guys, insane. right, well, I guess this hedge is not gonna fucking work today. I just can't get it filled, guys. I just, no matter what I do, I cannot get this filled. So I'm just gonna fucking go short. I don't give a fuck. So stupid. I don't know what just happened. Did I just win? I might have just won. I did. Okay. Lost that one though. So I kind of hedged, but I took the trades at 2 different times. So I got 1, 2, 3 more passed. Oh, what a fucking day. What a day. All right, guys, I'm going to call it. I got to go. I just can't believe today happened. I mean, this is the biggest red candle we've had. The biggest candle we've had for the last 3 months on an hourly chart. We just witnessed history. This is the biggest red candle we've had in the last, I mean, we could go take a look for a year. I mean, this was close. This was close. But that was 5:30. This is insanity, guys. 630.1 hour candle. The market is crashing. Literally crashing. Fucking A. I guess I don't feel too bad. The market's literally crashing. I mean, how else do you explain this? Yeah, so that was October 10th. That was a 530 point hourly candle. That was a 530 point hourly candle. The overall move down was almost 1,000 points. I mean, talk about crazy. Look how fast. The 250K eval. I don't know why I even have this, but of course that's gonna blow. Yeah, 250k evals are a waste of time. Don't ever do those. 50ks or 150ks. All right, guys, I'll see you at 12 o'clock. I got to go, unfortunately. I would love to hang out more and try to pass some evals. Hopefully the volatility stays, so I could try to pass some evals later once I'm done. I got to clear out my sprinklers and stuff before they freeze and burst. So my dad's on his way, and yeah, I'll see you guys all tomorrow. Adios.